Hey Ahmed, have you ever thought about the industrial sector in Tunisia? It's been growing steadily over the years, contributing significantly to the country's economy.
Yes, Sarah, I have. Tunisia's industry has indeed seen remarkable progress. The government has been making substantial efforts to attract foreign investments, creating a favorable environment for businesses.
Absolutely, Ahmed. One of the key sectors driving Tunisia's industrial growth is manufacturing. The country produces a wide range of goods, including textiles, automotive parts, and electronics, which are exported globally.
That's right, Sarah. The manufacturing sector provides employment opportunities for a significant portion of the population. It not only boosts the economy, but also enhances the skill set of the workforce, making them competitive in the global market.
Moreover, Tunisia has been focusing on renewable energy, promoting sustainable practices within the industrial sector. Investments in solar and wind energy projects not only reduce the carbon footprint, but also ensure a stable energy supply for industries.
Sustainability is crucial, Sarah. It's heartening to see Tunisia embracing green technologies. This not only aligns with global environmental goals, but also makes the country an attractive destination for eco-conscious investors.
Absolutely, Ahmed. Additionally, Tunisia's strategic location, with easy access to Europe and Africa, makes it a hub for logistics and distribution. This geographical advantage further enhances the industrial sector's growth potential.
Plus, the government has been investing in infrastructure development, such as ports and roads, to facilitate the movement of goods. Efficient transportation networks are essential for the industry, ensuring timely deliveries and reducing costs.
True, Ahmed. The digital transformation in Tunisia has also played a significant role in the industrial sector. Integration of technologies like AI has enhanced efficiency, allowing businesses to streamline their operations and improve productivity.
And let's not forget about the small and medium enterprises (SMEs) in Tunisia. They form the backbone of the industrial sector, fostering innovation and entrepreneurship. The government has been supporting these businesses, providing them with the necessary resources and training.
Definitely, Ahmed. SMEs not only contribute to economic growth, but also promote diversity within the industrial landscape. Their agility and ability to adapt to market demands are essential in today's fast-paced business environment.
I agree, Sarah. Furthermore, Tunisia's industrial sector has seen diversification, with a focus on high-tech industries like aerospace and ICT. This diversification not only reduces dependency on traditional sectors, but also positions Tunisia as a knowledge-based economy.
Precisely, Ahmed. By investing in research and development, Tunisia is fostering innovation and creating a skilled workforce capable of driving the future of the industrial sector. Research institutions and universities play a vital role in this endeavor.
It's inspiring to see how education and industry collaborate in Tunisia. By aligning educational curricula with the needs of the industry, students are better prepared for the job market, creating a talent pool that meets the demands of the evolving industrial landscape.
Absolutely, Ahmed. Education is the foundation of a sustainable industrial sector. Well-educated individuals not only contribute to innovation, but also play a role in shaping policies that promote industrial growth and economic stability.
Moreover, the tourism industry in Tunisia indirectly supports the industrial sector. The influx of tourists creates demand for various goods and services, stimulating local businesses and encouraging investments in industries like hospitality and crafts.
That's a great point, Ahmed. Tourism acts as a catalyst for economic activities, creating a ripple effect across different sectors, including industry. The diverse cultural heritage of Tunisia makes it an attractive destination, further enhancing the tourism industry synergy.
Absolutely, Sarah. By leveraging its rich cultural heritage, Tunisia can develop unique products that appeal to both domestic and international markets. Handicrafts, traditional textiles, and culinary delights are just a few examples of marketable products rooted in Tunisia's heritage.
Plus, the government's efforts to improve the business environment through regulatory reforms and incentives have been commendable. Simplifying procedures and reducing bureaucratic hurdles make it easier for businesses to thrive, attracting both local and foreign investments.
That's a vital aspect, Sarah. A business-friendly environment fosters entrepreneurship and encourages the establishment of new industries. It also ensures that existing industries can expand and innovate without unnecessary obstacles, promoting overall economic growth.
I'm glad you mentioned that, Ahmed. The continuous dialogue between the government and the private sector is crucial. By understanding the challenges faced by businesses, policymakers can create targeted solutions, ensuring the industrial sector's sustained development.
Absolutely, Sarah. Collaboration and communication are key. When the public and private sectors work together, they can address challenges more effectively, fostering an environment where businesses can thrive and contribute significantly to the country's economy.
It's evident that Tunisia's industrial sector has a bright future. With the right policies, investments, and a skilled workforce, the country can continue its trajectory of growth, creating employment opportunities and elevating the standard of living for its citizens.
I couldn't agree more, Sarah. The foundation has been laid, and with continued dedication and innovation, Tunisia's industrial sector can reach even greater heights, making a significant impact on the national economy and the lives of its people.